Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to miss my any upcoming videos.
हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू एनके इनोवेशन। नमस्ते, आप सबका इस चैनल पे स्वागत है। आज हम फुल न्यूट्रिशनल प्रोटीन्स विटामिन से भरा हुआ सलाद बनाएंगे और पूरे वीक के लिए बनाएंगे, मंडे टू सैटरडे। आप देख सकते हैं फॉर मंडे, फॉर ट्यूसडे, फॉर वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे। सो ये सारे सलाद हम आज बनाएंगे, आप सबके साथ रेसिपी शेयर करेंगे। So stay with me till the end of this video. Let's start. On Monday, so today we will prepare. This is full of protein. आज जो हम बनाएंगे वो फुल प्रोटीन और विटामिन से भरा है। ये पूरा वीक हम विटामिन और प्रोटीन से भरा ही खाएंगे। So on Monday what we will prepare? Already I have sliced 2 banana, sliced banana. In this we will mix red chana, red grams, sprouts of the red grams, 6 to 7 almond, almost 1 spoon raisins, black raisins and red raisins, and half a spoon cashew. We will this toss like that and we will mix, and in this we mix some honey, 1 full spoon. If you want, instead of honey we can mix jaggery. अगर आप चाहें तो हनी की जगह पे हम जैगरी पाउडर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। Really, this is very healthy breakfast. Even we can eat between the breakfast and lunch. This is ready now. So our Monday breakfast with full of vitamins and proteins is ready to eat. Everybody can enjoy, even children also like to eat. This is very healthy. On Tuesday, we will take 4 to 5 spoon mixed sprout. In this mixed sprout, I am using red chana, horse grams, green gram we used to tell, मूंग है, लाल चना है, हॉर्स ग्राम है और थोड़े से बीन्स है। So in this we are using all 4 different varieties of sprouts. Next we will mix chopped fresh lettuce, 1 full spoon, 1 full spoon grated carrot, fresh chopped mint leaves, धनिया पत्ता, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, सेंधा salt, according to your taste, chaat masala. If you like to eat spicy, you can use 1 green chili. Now we will toss this. कहते हैं जितना फुल ऑफ प्रोटीन विटामिन्स मिक्स है, इससे हेल्दी कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता। Everyone can eat 1 small cup of this, around 4 to 5 spoon I told. Mixed sprout salad is ready to eat on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we will prepare healthy salads. For this, we need chopped cucumber, small size of chopped cucumber. It must be fresh. Small size of chopped tomato. Fresh 1 spoon lettuce. Fresh coriander, chopped coriander. 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves. One big spoon grated cabbage. Next we will mix 2 spoon chopped onion, 1 spoon lemon juice, senda salt according to your taste, chaat masala. If you want, you can use pepper powder also. Afterwards, 1 big spoonful grated fresh paneer. The same way, they will enjoy with tossing. It will mix nicely. Now we will mix 2 spoonful grated carrot. Once again we will mix. This is very healthy. Our healthy Wednesday salad is ready to eat. We will prepare moong sprout salad. Okay, so we need a sprouted moong, fresh moong, almost 4 to 5 spoon. We mix some raisins, black and red raisins. This will give crunchy taste for this. 1 full spoon fresh chopped cucumber. Fresh coriander leaves. Now we will mix some pepper powder, chaat masala and senda salt according to your taste. You can mix. Now we will enjoy. This is a time for tossing. Afterwards we will mix lemon juice. One tablespoon. So our Thursday green moong sprout salad is ready to eat. It is very healthy. We will prepare with the fresh corn salad. 4 to 5 spoon. We must eat only 3 to 4 spoon. 1 spoonful chopped tomato. 1 full spoon grated carrot. Full chopped cucumber and fresh coriander leaves. 1.5 tablespoon lemon juice. Pepper powder according to your taste you can use. Senda salt and garam masala. So we will enjoy with tossing now. So our Friday corn salad is ready to eat. On Saturday we will prepare red grams, sprout 10 gram salad. So first we will mix 2 big spoonful fresh grated carrot, chopped cucumber 1 spoon, chopped onion 1 spoon, fresh mint leaves and 4 spoon red grams sprouts. I wanted to tell everybody, try to make sprouts at home. This is very healthy. One tablespoon lemon juice, chaat masala according to your taste, even senda salt also. You can use plain salt also, whatever you are using at home. आप अपने घर में जो भी सॉल्ट यूज करते हैं आप कर सकते हैं और अपने टेस्ट के अनुसार से कर सकते हैं. अब हम थोड़ा टॉसिंग को एंजॉय कर लें. Now we will mix it. So our Saturday's red chana sprouts is ready to eat. So we are using the sprouts for red grams. Okay, this is very healthy and very nutritious. So my dear friends, our healthy salads is ready to eat now, which I have prepared along with you for Monday to Friday, जो full of vitamins है, full of proteins है. You must try at home and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. मेरे साथ बने रहिए और इसी तरह अपने सुझाव भेजते रहिए. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद.